Namaskar. Welcome to Om Bhagat Seva Samiti channel. When there is water in river, fishes eat small insects, and when river gets dried up, small insects eat fishes. First it was fishes time and later it was small insects time. So as per time it happens. It is in nobody's hands what will happen. When our time is good, we should not be proudish and behave rudently with others. Time may change from one person to other person, from any time to any other time. King may become beggar, beggar may become king as per their time. If time is good, he will become a king. If time is bad, he will become a beggar. Similarly, beggar time is good, he will become a king. So it is vice versa. When coal is coal block, also in its time may become a gem, means ratam. In head, Shani means Saturn, mind, Buddhi means wit. In life, good days, all these may happen because of your time, and anything may happen at any time. Now rich person may become poor, poor person may become rich, depends on time. It is time's decision and it is in nobody's hands. When you are 25 years, you will not think about others what they are thinking about you. Up to 50 years, you will think what others are thinking about you. Above 50 years, you will come to know that nobody is thinking about you and nobody is bothered about you and nobody cares about you. Spouse, children, relatives, all they come when they require you and in need of you. You have to go alone from your this world even without having your nourished body which is subjected to fire. So person has to go alone leaving this world. At that time with him only dhanam means donations, dharma means purified living, punyam means pious living and helping others. These only come with you. So you have to earn these things in life so that even when you are not there, your name and fame will remain. You be happy always and keep others happy. You live with laughter and make also others laughter. So you have to do these things to live in this world. When you leave this world, your kirti means glory, name and fame, they will not have death, but they will be in the history pages, they remain. Thank you.